Miniatures is a style. The concept is always something from the old world. So it could be an apothecary shop, or it could be a courtesan's house, or it could be, anything, an old theatre. But it is always something old, which is the main concept. It is I want to relive the old world, which was it's certainly more passionate and more. There was a lot of reverence for things, and there was a lot of involvement, and a lot of there was no disparaging attitude towards work. It was nothing was done fast. It was all done with a lot of love, and that is what I cherish. A lot of them are courtesans from the past. So there are a lot of courtesans, and I've read so many books about them, and I love the way they lived and all the jewelry and all of it. So I find that very inspiring. And also, I loved architecture, old architecture. So I'm not a big fan of current architecture. I like technology, but apart from that, I like everything which is old, and I love the kind of involvement and the kind of passion that was there in carving every pillar and doing, making even a small bottle look beautiful, and a surahi look gorgeous, and a table look lovely. So every object was treated with that much reverence, and that is what I loved. And I don't believe in doing anything fast, and I'd rather do 3 to 4 paintings a year, but do that with do it with all my heart, rather than do a whole lot and have shows after shows. And so for me, it's important that it should leave my house when I'm in love with it. The references are all from Chor Bazaars of various places. So the Bombay Chor Bazaar was a pilgrimage for me. I had to go there every year, wherever I lived. Like even when I was in Singapore, I would once a year visit Chor Bazaar for sure. So, and even if I go to Delhi for the India Art Fair, I think the whole thing is that, okay, when is this getting over, and when am I going to go and see the bazaars? So I like to visit all the old bazaars and take pictures, and love all the things. Like everything old is beautiful for me. It's called Manzil-e-Qarar, which means the destination of divine peace. So you feel the kind of qarar and satisfaction, the satisfaction that you get also from meeting a lover. And so it comes from the time of when you wrote letters to your lover, and where there was a lot of poetry and intricate things. So it is about that. We were in Egypt. My daughter Sangeeta, all of us were in Egypt about a month and a half ago, and we saw this table in an antique shop and fell in love with it. So I took a lot of pictures of it. And when I was doing this painting, it just kind of fitted in, and I wanted to bring it in. So I take a lot of pictures of all old things, and whether I can bring it for myself or not, I at least have photographs which I can recreate for others. So that gives me a lot of joy.